Packing can be an art. It's the first step of an exciting journey and can significantly impact the ease and enjoyment of your travel. With the right strategies, you can pack smart, ensuring you have everything you need without cluttering your suitcase. Welcome to the ultimate guide on mastering the art of packing for any type of vacation where simplicity meets efficiency. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest travel packing tips and strategies. Now let's get packing. First, and probably the most popular vacation, we head to the beach and we pack our bags for a tropical getaway. Packing for a beach vacation intertwines practicality with the allure of sun, sand, and sea. It's crucial to prioritize items that offer protection against the sun, such as high SPF sunscreen, wide-brimmed hats, and UV-blocking sunglasses. Incorporating lightweight clothing, flip-flops, and a durable beach bag adds to both comfort and convenience. Don't forget to pack quick dry towels and waterproof cases for electronics to safeguard them from sand and water. By adhering to a focused packing list, travelers can ensure they enjoy their beach getaway with all the essentials while avoiding unnecessary luggage bulk. Transitioning from the sun-soaked beaches to the majestic mountains introduces a new set of challenges and exhilarations. When gearing up for a mountain hiking trip, your packing list shifts to accommodate the rugged terrain and variable weather conditions. Essential items include breathable yet warm clothing, allowing for comfortable layering, and sturdy, waterproof hiking boots to ensure safety and comfort on the trails. A high-quality, lightweight backpack is a must, ideally featuring multiple compartments for easier organization. Don't overlook the importance of a first aid kit, navigational tools like maps and a compass, and ample hydration options including water bottles or a hydration bladder. It's also wise to include high-energy snacks such as nuts and energy bars to maintain stamina during your trek. By focusing on essentials that cater to the mountain environment, you can maximize your enjoyment and preparedness for the adventure ahead. Transitioning once again, this time to the tranquil setting of a lake retreat, travelers find themselves faced with an entirely unique packing list, one that harmonizes with the calm and serene ambiance of lakeside living. For this kind of vacation, it's essential to bring items that enhance your experience both in and out of the water. Lightweight and quick-drying clothing are key for those who intend to oscillate between taking a dip in the lake and lounging on its banks. Water shoes become invaluable, not only for protection against rocky or slippery surfaces, but also for any water-based activities such as kayaking or paddleboarding. Don't overlook the importance of packing binoculars for birdwatching or a compact, waterproof camera to capture the breathtaking lakeside scenery. Including a compact, foldable chair or a hammock can also significantly enhance your comfort during those long, leisurely days by the lake. By meticulously choosing items that complement the lake environment, you can ensure a relaxing and rejuvenating retreat, making the most of both the serene landscape and the myriad of activities it offers. Shifting gears from the laid-back lake and mountain experiences, our next adventure takes us into the bustling heart of urban landscapes with a city exploration round trip. When packing for a city-based vacation, prioritizing versatility and convenience is key. Opt for outfits that can transition smoothly from day to night, allowing you to explore local markets in the morning and attend a sophisticated dinner in the evening without the need for a complete outfit change. A durable, theft-proof backpack serves as a crucial companion, ensuring your valuables stay secure amidst the crowds. For navigating the concrete jungle, comfortable walking shoes are non-negotiable. You'll find that much of the city's charm is discovered through its pedestrian pathways. Lastly, including a portable power bank ensures your phone, indispensable for maps and local information, remains charged throughout your urban exploration, letting you capture and share every moment without missing a beat. Leaving the bustling city's dynamic energy, we set our sights on the boundless horizon with a cruise adventure, a unique blend of relaxation and exploration. Aboard a cruise, your suitcase should be as versatile as your itinerary. Start with comfortable, casual wear for daytime activities, from lounging by the pool to exploring the ship. Evenings, however, often call for a touch of elegance. Including a few formal outfits will ensure you're prepared for the ship's upscale dining experiences and special events. Don't forget swimwear and sun protection for those sun-drenched deck days or shore excursions. Equally important is packing a pair of sturdy, comfortable shoes for excursions when you dock, the key to fully enjoying walking tours or adventures in each port. With these essentials, you'll be well equipped to savor every moment of your cruise adventure, from the first gentle waves of morning to the soft glimmer of evening stars. Transitioning from the serene expanse of the sea, our adventure takes a wild turn into the heart of nature with a safari expedition. For such an adventure, preparing your pack is unlike any other vacation. Light, breathable clothing in neutral colors is a must, blending with the surroundings and keeping you cool under the scorching sun. Binoculars become an extension of your eyes, ensuring you miss none of the majestic wildlife sightings. A high-quality camera with a zoom lens captures these once-in-a-lifetime moments, while a wide-brimmed hat and strong sunscreen protect against the relentless sun. Additionally, packing a durable, lightweight raincoat can be a savior during unexpected showers, keeping your focus on the beauty of the untamed wilderness rather than the elements. With these essentials, your safari expedition is set to be an unforgettable immersion into the world's most stunning landscapes and creatures. Leaving the warm hues of the safari behind, we ascend to the crisp, exhilarating altitudes of a skiing holiday. This chilly adventure demands a unique packing list, starting with thermal underwear and layers that can be easily added or removed as conditions change. A high-quality waterproof ski jacket and pants are crucial for both warmth and protection, while gloves, a warm hat, and waterproof boots ensure comfort from head to toe. Don't overlook the importance of protecting your eyes with UV-blocking goggles, which can help you maintain clear vision amidst the glare of the snow. To maximize your time on the slopes, consider bringing your own ski or snowboard equipment, though rentals are an easy alternative that allows for flexibility. With these essentials carefully packed, you're ready to carve the first tracks in fresh powder and enjoy the breathtaking mountain scenery that only a skiing holiday can offer. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel essentials and tips that turn every trip into an adventure of a lifetime. Leave a comment below with your must-have travel items and share your unforgettable travel experiences with our community.